Oops. Oh, Dad.
Yes. Yes. Mistakes were made.
Wow, trimmed way high. Wants to go up. Only at 40% throttle. Going safe. I guess I can't send the trim. These birds are gonna come here and attack me. It's weird, it wants to go up. I wonder if that has to do with letting the thing stabilize while it's sitting on its tail wheel.
Mm.
Alright, I'm going 50% throttle. I'm going to turn off safe. See what it does. Whoa, way high. Yeah, it wants to nose up a ton. Jeez.
That's not a good behavior.
Jeez, the trim is freaking. It's trimming the wrong way.
Dude.
Alright, I'm in not in safe mode, I'm in low rates. Bank. Not starting confidence so far. I'm all over it.
Yeah.
Trying to get it stabilized.
You need to activate safe, or like the actual safe, maybe.
Dialed in. Maximum trim reach. I'm gonna do some I gotta do some mechanical trim. It's better.
Much more stable.
Yeah, that's hands off. I hear the prop. Sounds cool.
So I'm not talking.
You touch it go?
Mm-hmm.
Take it.
Just gotta watch your angle for that bush down there, that tree.
Yeah. Yeah. Little poo came out a little bit. Might have to edit that one out.
Oh, Dad.
Oh, too much for that one.
Yeah.
Well, Maiden Flight's done on the Timber X, and we have some carnage caused by a momentary lapse of logic, and I looked down at my controller as the plane was kind of going down, and I'm sure you saw the footage already, but yeah, just a dumb mistake. I didn't hear my timer go off, so I was looking down to see if I could get my timer, and I just chose the wrong time to glance down. So landing gear was just the main thing. Just pulled the landing gear off. That's the only real carnage I can see. There's some dirt and stuff, a little bit of scuff on the wingtip over here. But all in all, came out fairly unscathed. Now there is some plastic in this bracket right here. I don't know if you can see. Right around here there's some plastic that's part of this piece. So all around here, that used to be actually attached to the chassis somehow in here. So we're just gonna have to get a bunch of hot glue in there and lock this back in. This little notch here fits inside of there. So I'm gonna have to push it down first and then in to lock it into place. I think it'll be just fine. So, part of the hobby. Fly them, crash them, fix them, fly them, and repeat. So let's see if I can get this back together. A few rocks in there. Well, she will fly again.